here, you're going to see that pelvis is elevated here. When we compare it to neutral, it's about 70 degrees. When we look at the left side, it's much less. Okay? It's about 4 degrees. And so we start looking down at the foot biomechanics and seeing what's happening. Q angle here, the left side versus the right side is behaving differently. Rear foot alignment here versus the alignment here, it's about 16 degrees. But when we go to the left side, it increases quite a bit. So this is about 19 degrees. And so that's a pretty substantial difference. Her right leg is actually longer than her left. And so there's a difference of 18 millimeters. And so what we're going to do is in her Align Orthotics, we're going to help correct her rear foot alignment. So we're going to support the ankle and arch. We're also going to build a small lift on the left side to elevate this whole kinetic chain and improve the function.